Okay, since I just got everyone's comments tonight, if anyone's still wondering, on how to re-tip an extension that I took out, and I'll show you how to do it. So the gun, I'm trying to do it where you can see it the best. And I just kind of pull it to get all the excess glue, twist it, and then move all this other stuff out of the way. Sorry for the mess. Then, and that's just hairs that have pulled up. I clip it off. There's only, there's not a lot there, so there you go. I need to clean my gun. My apologies. And then, oh, don't forget, so I get my tips from Donna Bell. And then I just get it hot again. And I try to get it while it's hot. Ah, I got it. And you can see it's on the back. And I just let it melt a little bit. You can see it pulling off. And then I get the glue on the other side. Get my little cruncher. It has this soft side stainless steel, and I just hold it. And again, I'm not manipulating it. I don't want to leave it on too long. And like these little sides, just pull them in. Bingo. And there you go.